back at the Waikiki shopping plaza. That's the bus we were on. And now we moved to another bus. But the driver we had, Tusi, is going to come drive this bus. And you should thank your lucky stars if you get Tusi as a driver.
Center building, that is the Royal Hawaiian Hotel. It's the second oldest hotel here in Hawaii.
Harry Winston.
Back in the 1950s, they had an animated version of the Pink Palace in Tom and Jerry.
Surfboards. I believe that's a beach access down to Waikiki Beach. Look way down there, you can see it. This is the Moana Surf Rider. The first hotel in Waikiki.
Planted in 1904. Back then it was 7 feet tall. Now it's about 75 feet tall and 150 feet wide. Over in their courtyard. Alright.
And here's Waikiki Beach. So it's a little crowded. And surfboard rentals.
Beautiful Hanamoku. So he's the ambassador of Aloha, Hawaii's national treasure. So he introduced surfing to the world back in the early 1900s. He's the godfather of surfing. He taught the Californians, the Aussies, and the Brazilians.
Here's a
California made it mandatory for all lifeguards to learn how to surf and use a surfboard. Valleys near Waikiki, but people from Noa and Palolo, whenever it would rain, they would carry rainwater all the way from the Kolau Mountain Range down here into Waikiki. King at the time searched high and low for this baby because he wanted to kill baby Kamehameha. This was a local Hawaiian boy's first job. His name was Barry. Later on, became the 44th president of the United States. President Barack Obama. So that was his first job. The reason why he applied there was a girl that worked there that he had a crush on. He got the job, I don't know if he got the girl.
Well, everyone's ponchoing up because it just started pouring rain. But it's already letting up, I think. So this is the Honolulu Museum of Art. We're very close to the Capitol and the Palace, the Iolani Palace.
Alright, so to the left
is
the
state capitol.
So the architecture
you can see it in one of our other videos. National Memorial Cemetery of the Pacific is where we're headed. Of course, we've been here before and we have a video of us walking from the ship up here. Complete with chickens.
And this one represents every son. You guys see that stadium down there with the yellow bleachers and the red trim? Oh, I already gave it away on my blue light. You guys know who Peter Hernandez is, right? So Bruno Mars, he went to Theodore Roosevelt High School.
Sumo Taisha. And we're gonna go to Chinatown now. Kukui Cafe.
During the fire. So do you guys know what survived the fire? The rats. Alright, so this is the
Notice the
famous
different street
Hotel
signs.
Street. So this was Red Light District back in the day. And they have Jim's Union Bar, the oldest bar here in Hawaii. So this was the hot spot for the soldiers and the sailors back in the day during World War II and also Vietnam.
So there's the King Kamehameha statue, the courthouse. If you go up here, bear with me while I make a video. That's the Iolani Palace. I've heard it's the only palace in the United States, the only royal palace in the United States. There's the Aloha Tower.
Alright, so all this right here is owned by Hawaii Pacific University. They also have a great luau.
There's a whole shopping center in there and some cruise ships dock over there.
That's where all those spaghetti factory.
So I believe this year is when they're going to open up Aloha Tower because they shut it down for renovation 2 years ago.
So look at this place.
Alright, if anybody wants to go see Aloha Tower, this is our stop. But if you're going back to Pier 2, just remain seated.
There's our ship,
We'll drop you guys off right by Channel Street.
the Emerald Princess.
Alright, Aloha Tower.
Well, as you can see, we're back at the ship and the planes are flying overhead. So from Honolulu, Hawaii,
I'm Janet,
and I'm Garrett.
and we'll see you in the next port.
Bye!
Bye. Aloha. Thanks for watching.
Aloha! And the next port is Nauili Wili, Kauai.
Bye-bye.
Bye.